What if I told you that you could build a unique property for $200,000 that generates $4,000 to $6,000 per month on Airbnb, pays for itself in just 4 to 6 years, and then becomes pure profit? Today, we're doing the math on something investors are buzzing about in 2026, building barndominiums specifically for Airbnb rental income. I'm talking real numbers, honest ROI calculations, and whether this strategy actually works or if it's just hype. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how much you can make and if this investment makes sense for you. But before we dive into the numbers, if you're interested in real estate investing, alternative income streams, or Airbnb strategies, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And drop a comment telling me, would you invest in a barndominium for Airbnb? Let's break down the real numbers. Why barndominiums for Airbnb? Let's start with why barndominiums are crushing it on Airbnb in 2026. Travelers are obsessed with unique, Instagram-worthy accommodations. They don't want another cookie-cutter apartment or generic hotel room. They want experiences, and barndominiums deliver exactly that with their distinctive rustic modern aesthetic, open floor plans, and countryside charm. The market data backs this up. Properties offering unique architecture and design-forward spaces consistently outperform traditional rentals in occupancy rates and nightly pricing. Barndominiums fit perfectly into what travelers are actively searching for: cabins, farmhouses, unique stays, and rural retreats. Construction costs make this strategy even more attractive. Building a barndominium costs $65 to $160 per square foot in 2026, compared to $150 to $400 per square foot for traditional stick-built homes. You're looking at 30 to 50% lower construction costs, which dramatically improves your return on investment timeline. The versatility factor is huge. You can design barndominiums with multiple bedrooms for large groups, add luxury amenities like hot tubs and fire pits, create open entertaining spaces, and include outdoor areas that guests love. All of this increases your nightly rate and booking appeal. Real construction costs breakdown. Let's get specific with a real example. We're going to calculate the total investment for a 1,500 square foot barndominium designed for Airbnb rental in a popular rural tourist area. Land costs vary dramatically by location. For this example, assume $50,000 for 2 to 5 acres in a desirable rural area within 2 hours of a major city. Rural vacation rental markets perform best when they're accessible but feel remote. The barndominium shell, including the kit, foundation, and assembly, runs approximately $90,000 to $120,000. This covers the exterior structure, roof, basic walls, and weatherproof envelope. Interior finishing for Airbnb quality standards costs $60,000 to $90,000. This includes insulation at $9,000, drywall and interior framing at $12,000, flooring with luxury vinyl plank at $9,000, kitchen with island and appliances at $15,000, 2 full bathrooms at $12,000, electrical system at $8,000, plumbing at $7,000, HVAC at $10,000, interior doors and trim at $5,000, and paint and finishes at $3,000. Furnishings and amenities for a fully furnished Airbnb-ready property cost $20,000 to $30,000. This includes furniture for living room, bedrooms, and dining at $12,000, bedding, linens, and towels at $2,000, kitchen equipment and supplies at $2,000, TVs and entertainment at $1,500, outdoor furniture and fire pit at $3,000, hot tub optional at $5,000 to $8,000, and decor and finishing touches at $2,000. Utilities, permits, and miscellaneous costs add $15,000 to $25,000. This covers well and septic at $18,000, permits and inspections at $3,000, driveway and landscaping at $8,000, and utility connections at $3,000. Total investment comes to $235,000 to $285,000 for a fully furnished, Airbnb-ready 1,500 square foot barndominium. For this analysis, let's use $260,000 as our baseline investment. Airbnb income projections. Now let's calculate realistic income. The key metrics that determine your revenue are average daily rate, occupancy rate, and booking fees. For a well-designed barndominium in a good vacation rental market, expect an average daily rate of $200 to $300 per night. Rural unique properties with 3 bedrooms, modern amenities, and distinctive design command premium pricing. We'll use $250 as our baseline. Occupancy rates vary by market and season. According to 2025 data, the average U.S. Airbnb occupancy is around 50%, but unique properties in strong markets achieve 60 to 75% occupancy. Well-managed barndominium rentals in desirable locations typically hit 65 to 70% annual occupancy. We'll use 65% for conservative projections. Calculating monthly and annual revenue starts with 365 days per year times 65% occupancy equals 237 book nights per year. At $250 per night, gross annual revenue is $59,250, which breaks down to approximately $4,938 per month average. Operating expenses. Let's be honest about expenses, because this is where many investors underestimate costs. Airbnb and booking platform fees take 3% host service fee, totaling approximately $1,778 annually. Cleaning costs at $100 per turnover times 237 bookings equals $23,700 annually. Property management, if you hire help, costs 20 to 25% of revenue, which is $11,850 to $14,813 annually. For DIY management, you can save this but factor in your time. Utilities including electricity, water, internet, and trash run $300 to $400 monthly, totaling $3,600 to $4,800 annually. Property insurance for short-term rental coverage costs $2,000 to $3,000 annually. Maintenance and repairs budgeted at 1 to 2% of property value equals $2,600 to $5,200 annually. Supplies including toiletries, paper products, and consumables cost $50 per booking, totaling $11,850 annually. Property taxes vary by location, but budget 1 to 2% of property value, which is $2,600 to $5,200 annually. Marketing, photography, and software including listing optimization and channel management cost $1,200 to $2,400 annually. Total annual expenses range from $59,378 to $71,741, averaging approximately $65,500 for a well-run operation. Net operating income equals gross revenue of $59,250 minus operating expenses of $65,500, resulting in negative $6,250 annually. Wait, that's negative. Yes, at $250 per night and 65% occupancy, you're barely breaking even or slightly negative. The real profitability picture. This is where strategy matters. To achieve positive cash flow and strong ROI, you need to optimize pricing and occupancy. Scenario 1 uses $275 average daily rate at 65% occupancy. This generates 237 booked nights at $275 equals $65,175 gross revenue. Minus $65,500 in expenses equals negative $325, which is essentially break even. Scenario 2 uses $300 average daily rate at 65% occupancy. This generates 237 booked nights at $300 equals $71,100 gross revenue. Minus $65,500 in expenses equals $5,600 net annual profit, or approximately $467 per month positive cash flow. Scenario 3 uses $250 average daily rate at 75% occupancy. This generates 274 booked nights at $250 equals $68,500 gross revenue. Minus increased expenses of $68,000 for more cleaning equals $500 net annual profit. Scenario 4 uses $300 average daily rate at 70% occupancy. This generates 256 booked nights at $300 equals $76,800 gross revenue. Minus $69,000 in expenses equals $7,800 net annual profit, or $650 per month positive cash flow. ROI calculation. Let's calculate return on investment for scenario 4. which represents a well-managed property. Initial investment is $260,000. Net annual profit is $7,800. Simple cash-on-cash return is $7,800 divided by 260,000 equals 3% annually. That seems low, but remember you're also building equity. If you finance with 20% down at $52,000, and net annual profit after mortgage is roughly break even in early years, your actual cash investment is much lower. As the mortgage pays down and rents increase over time, cash flow improves significantly. Property appreciation in desirable vacation rental markets typically runs 3 to 5% annually. On a $310,000 property, including land, that's $9,300 to $15,500 in annual equity gain. Combined with $7,800 in cash flow, total annual return is $17,100 to $23,300 on a $260,000 investment, which equals 6.6 to 9% total return. The payoff timeline, assuming $7,800 annual profit without financing, means $260,000 divided by 7,800 equals approximately 33 years to break even. With financing at 20% down of $52,000 and break-even cash flow while building equity, you're building wealth through mortgage paydown and appreciation. After 15 years, the property could be paid off and generating $30,000 to $50,000 annually in profit. The honest truth. Here's what you need to know. Barndominiums for Airbnb can be profitable, but requires hitting the right numbers. You need average daily rates of $275 to $350, occupancy rates of 65 to 75%, excellent property management, strategic location selection, and unique design that commands premium pricing. This is not a get-rich-quick strategy. Year 1 and 2 often break even or show minimal profit. Years 3 to 5 show improving cash flow as you optimize operations. Years 6 and beyond generate strong cash flow and equity. The investment makes sense if you're in a strong vacation rental market within 2 hours of major metro areas. You can achieve $275+ nightly rates. You're willing to actively manage or pay for quality management. You're building for long-term wealth, not immediate cash flow. And you understand short-term rental regulations in your area. This might not be for you if you need immediate positive cash flow. You're in a saturated or restricted Airbnb market. You can't achieve 65+% occupancy. You're not comfortable with guest management and property upkeep, or you lack adequate capital reserves for slow months. Building a barndominium for Airbnb rental in 2026 can work, but the math requires realistic expectations. You're essentially building a small hospitality business, not buying a passive investment. Success depends on location, design, pricing strategy, guest experience, and consistent management. The best opportunities exist in underserved vacation rental markets where unique properties are scarce, tourism is growing, and regulations are favorable. Do your homework, calculate conservative numbers, and build in a financial buffer for the learning curve. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest real estate investment analysis. Drop a comment with your market or if you're considering this strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.